Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread how to basic, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, mash 3 ripe bananas, whisk in 2 eggs and 1/2 cup sugar, then stir in 1/4 cup melted butter. Fold in 1/3/4 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt, pour into a greased loaf pan, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean, then cool before slicing. Start by mashing bananas until smooth, then whisk eggs and sugar into the bananas so everything is evenly combined for a tender crumb. Melted butter or oil helps keep the loaf moist while flour, baking soda, and salt are folded in gently to avoid toughness. Spoon batter into a prepared pan evenly, smooth the top lightly, and tap the pan to remove large air pockets before baking until set. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting for your banana bread more enjoyable with crisp text and long battery life, perfect for kitchen reading breaks or following recipes hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Bake at a steady 350 degrees F and test at about 50 minutes with a toothpick to ensure doneness and avoid dryness. Let the loaf rest in its pan for 10 minutes to set, then transfer to a cooling rack to finish firming up so slices cut cleanly. Cooling also improves flavor and texture, so be patient and slice only when mostly cool to enjoy an even crumb and the best taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.